guys, welcome back to my vlog. 안녕하세요, Ray입니다. 반갑습니다. Hey guys, my name is Ray. Welcome back. If you guys are new, nice to meet you. If you are returning, well, thanks for returning. Okay, this video is a full-on review of the COSRX Honey Glow Kit. What this is basically a sample kit, right? You got the Propolis Light Ampoule, the Propolis Synergy Toner, and the Propolis Light Cream, which I believe is a moisturizer. I could be wrong, but we'll find out here. And it says here that this is good for dry and rough skin. Can you guys see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? Okay, so basically this is a 3-step kit for, I believe, beginners in skincare. And although I'm not technically considered a beginner anymore, I feel like it's still kind of useful for me to understand certain brands, target audience, but also the reason why certain brands create certain products. So in this case, from COSRX, they released this full-on honey glow kit, and from the name of it, I guess they're trying to help us glow up a little bit, you know what I'm saying? But what's in here is, like I said, Propolis Light Ampoule, the Propolis Synergy Toner, and the Propolis Light Cream. So the first thing you gotta use is the Synergy Toner. It's a balancing toner that softens and moisturizes the skin with 72.6% propolis extract. The next step is the Propolis Light Ampoule. I don't have a lot of ampoules, and I think it's really because I'm an oily skin person, and because of that, I don't think I need a lot of steps to my skincare routine. My skincare routine has always been so simple. I never really needed ampoule in the past, but I don't mind having ampoules. I always think ampoule is like a great addition to a skincare routine, but it doesn't make or break the routine. To say that ampoule is a must-have in your steps, I don't think it's true. I think you can go, you can get by without an ampoule. The toner is 30 milliliter in the kit, and the ampoule is only 10 milliliters, and the moisturizing cream is 15 milliliters. So I think this could last me 1 full week. And I say that because I actually go through skincare products pretty quickly, and I think it's really because I got a big forehead, guys. You see that big forehead? Actually, it's a 5-head. This highly concentrated Propolis Light Ampoule illuminates complexion and provides long-lasting hydration for a radiant, youthful glow. I'm hitting my 30s, guys. So youthful glow sold me right there. I want to use this now, okay? Moving on to the final step of this honey glow kit is the Propolis Light Cream. Propolis cream, which contains 65.69% of full Fit Pro barrier complex, which basically is propolis extract, honey extract, and royal jelly extract to provide moisture and nourishment to the skin. Now, I got excited when I saw that they have royal jelly extract in here in the moisturizer, because if any products should have royal jelly, it should be the moisturizer. But obviously there are products like serums that have a high concentration of propolis, and they would also throw in royal jelly extract to kind of amp it up a little bit. And whenever there is royal jelly extract in any products, the price point is usually a lot higher because it is much more rare to cultivate. I'm gonna open the box for you guys. I don't know why I always make those sound effects. It feels like I'm unboxing toys, because when I was a kid, all my toys came in these little plastic containers with anyways. The ampoule is made of glass, the toner is made of plastic, but made to look like glass. And obviously the moisturizer is just a regular tube packaging. Here's how it looks like, the toner. It looks very thick, actually. Ooh, it just shot out, oh my God. That's why I love COSRX so much, is that you normally don't find fragrance in their products, and I love that about COSRX. 1 drop, okay, 1 drop is enough. Let's not waste my 30 milliliters of toner. Can you guys see it? You guys probably can't because it's so blown out right now. Hold on. Can you see it now? It is really watery. No fragrance! Yeah! Can you see it? It's actually really nourishing. And it's not sticky at all. Like, I would assume that propolis is very sticky of a substance, or an ingredient, I should say, on your skin, because I've had like non-propolis products before and they were hella sticky and I didn't like it. But this one, no fragrance, not sticky at all, leaves a very matte finish on your skin, feels nice, feel nourished. Yeah, feels really good. So that's my first impression and unboxing of the toner. Let's move on to the ampoule. Lately, I feel like all the ampoules in the market have this dropper packaging and I'm not a fan of droppers. I don't get it. I'm just trying to get the product on my face and just go to bed. And this like dropper tool just makes everything so much more difficult. Again, no fragrance, which is awesome. Whoa, do you see how sticky that was? Oh no, I spilled it a little bit. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. This reminds me of like those movies where it's like, if you take this vial of potion, it'll cure the world.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
And you'll be like, okay, like that, you know, so. Okay. This one's definitely more sticky than the toner, and it makes sense because ampoules are thicker than toners, lighter than essences and serums. They're kind of like the in-between step before you apply essence. It kind of makes sense that this would be a little bit stickier. It's more potent in its ingredients. I don't know why I keep sniffing my hand because I know there's no fragrance, but I'm just like, I want that sensorial experience because, you know, I love the smell of honey, so I'm just trying to see if I can smell the honey in here. But so far, I really like this ampoule. It is very light, a little bit sticky still, you know, been a while, still a little bit sticky. I'm not a fan of sticky ampoules, but also not complaining. Like, it's pretty nourishing. Like, I feels very soft. Yeah. Final product of this unboxing really quickly. This one is the Propolis Light Cream. And this one is the one with the royal jellies. So we're gonna find out how nice this is. All right, this is only 15 milliliters, so I gotta be even more generous. Just that much, okay? Only that much.冇嘥嘢啊，大佬. Okay, you see that dot right here now, right? Okay. Oh, this one has a little bit of fragrance. No, actually, there's no fragrance here. Am I smelling the royal jelly at this point, or like the honey? Can you guys smell it? Like, literally, I was about to make you guys smell it. Smells a little bit like just a very faint hint of honey. You know, like that. It's so sweet, it's almost bitter. It's got that kind of fragrance to it. So I really like it. Out of the 3 products that are in this kit, I would say if I were to like place an order on yesstyle right now, out of these 3, I would order either the ampoule or the moisturizer. The toner just feels like any other toner out in the market, but the light ampoule and the light moisturizing cream, I'm gonna keep using them throughout the week and I'll keep you guys updated and see what I think at the very end. Who knows, maybe I'll end up loving the toner the most, or I may end up liking all 3 equally. But so far this moisturizer is very promising. 안녕하세요, 레이입니다. 반갑습니다. Today's December 20th, 2020. Tonight I did my skincare routine already. As you can tell, my hair is wet. I just showered. Oh, and I have some of the COSRX Centella Blemish Cream on because I have a little bit of a breakout situation going on because I just finished my semester of class this semester. It was really stressful, but the good kind of stressful, but then at the end of it, I ended up getting a bunch of acne. And also I've been wearing my mask every day, so it's like I am drinking honey citron tea. This video is all about honey as an ingredient. It is super cold outside and I just want to really pamper myself and, you know, take care of my well-being, you know. I have honey citron tea. I am getting ready for bed, but I want to share with you guys my thoughts on the honey glow kit that yesstyle has sent me a while back. I hope this video could be helpful for you guys if you guys are planning on getting any of these products, because I feel like it does do its job really well and I do feel like there's a glow to my face, but then again, I'm not really sure because I see myself every day in the mirror and I'm like, did anything change? I think in the long run, if I keep using these products, I definitely will see more of a result. Right now, I do feel like my skin is enjoying it. They are absorbing the ingredients and the products really well. I haven't felt any sensitivity or any reactions to it, so that's good. Let me put down my tea so I don't spill it everywhere. Okay, so let's talk about the Honey Glow Kit. So Propolis is actually a really great ingredient for the skin, rich in antioxidants, which means that it can calm redness or repair damaged skin. I think what it does for me, at least, is I feel like my skin barrier has been slowly revived by the Propolis line, because when I was younger, I really damaged my skin barrier by using random and really badly formulated cleansers. So my skin barrier has been really compromised for a long time. And the one thing I really hoped that this Propolis line could help me do is to revive my skin barrier. And the first product we're going to talk about is the Propolis Synergy Toner. It's great for the winter time because it is very moisturizing and hydrating and really thick, and it sits on my skin really well. My problem with my skin is that I have large looking pores, and I think it's because number one, part of aging, and number two, like I said, I was using really harsh ingredients and products back in my high school days and college days. Now I feel like my skin is finally taking the toll, and it's like, this is what you get. I feel like this toner really helps tighten my pores a little bit and make my pores appear smaller. And because of Propolis, I think it affects my skin in a way where it calms any redness, because right after I come out of the shower, and I know it's because I'm using hot water, my skin would feel a little bit irritated and it would look really red. And once I wash my face with a towel and stuff, if I tug just slightly harder than I normally would, my skin would turn red. Using this toner, I feel like my skin's redness kind of fades a little bit because it has Propolis. Okay, number two, we have the Propolis Light Ampoule. Now this, I don't even know what to say, honestly. I feel like this one doesn't really need to be in the lineup. I don't find myself gravitating towards it a lot, and more importantly, this packaging, at least for the trial version, the tiny version, 10 milliliters. This one I don't think I would recommend, at least not with this packaging, because the dropper tool is so hard to use, and I don't like dropper tools to begin with, and the fact that they package this in such a tiny form and still kept the dropper, it is so hard to actually use. But the product itself, the ingredients that they put in here is so amazing. Propolis, first of all, the main ingredient obviously. A lot of people are kind of like, well, what do ampoules even do? So ampoules are basically a lighter version of essences and serums, but then thicker than toners. The ampoule here actually feels really nice on your skin. It is very light. However, if you look at it, it looks very thick in the bottle, but once you apply it on your skin, it just sits really lightly on your skin. You don't actually feel it at all. Now, for the final product, it is the Propolis Light Cream, and this one is the MVP. I feel like this one is easily a holy grail for me, and I absolutely love it. It has royal jelly extract in it, guys. Such an easy application, at least for the trial product. The packaging for the full version is a tub, and I'm not a fan of tubs. And I'm praying, COSRX, if you ever watch my videos, please make this large version in a tube form, because the tube is so much easier to use, to carry, to travel with. Because I like, you know, twisting it off and like this, and then just like applying on my hand, capping it back on, and then doing this and then doing that, right? It's so much easier with a tube as opposed to a tub. In terms of the ingredients, like I said, Propolis royal jelly extract, amazing ingredients. It really forms this bond on your skin that keeps the moisture on your skin locked in. It doesn't let any of it escape. It is a great final step to your routine because it is very mattifying. It's not super oily on your skin. They say the Honey Glow Kit is for dry and rough skin, but I feel like it's great for oily skin as well, because I'm an oily skin, and you can't really see that my skin is oily because light cream really does a great job in terms of sealing everything in without creating this oily, shimmery texture on your skin, and I really like that. Great job, COSRX. Okay, so that is it for my review of the COSRX Honey Glow Kit. Again, I am just so pleased with it. I really enjoyed it. I really liked using it, honestly, very honest. Every night when I go to bed or before I go to bed and after I shower, I look at my cabinet and I have like all these skincare products, right? And I'm like, which one do I use? It's almost like choosing my weapon of choice for my arsenal. And I would find myself gravitating towards these 3 products because they work so well together as a cohesive line. And once I get to the final step with the moisturizer or the Propolis light cream, I get so excited because I'm just like, I know this product works and I just love using it and I'm excited to put it on. It doesn't leave my face feeling sticky or oily, which tells me I can actually use this product during the daytime because it won't cause me to look shiny. Okay, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you guys are interested in purchasing any of these products from yesstyle, you can use my discount code, which is RAYSKIN5 for 5% off as newcomers to yesstyle. And if you're a returning shopper to yesstyle, you'll get a 2% off discount through my code as well. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching this video and I hope you guys have a great night. I'm going to bed now. See you next time. 再见. 저긴 안녕. 사랑해요.
Like I need to be, doesn't matter.